Hello dear traders, my name is Petko Alexandrov, and in this video I would like to talk a little bit more about how we diversify the risk on the different markets after we have a generated strategy, a ready strategy for trading on one market, how we actually change it, how we optimize it and test it again on other markets in order to diversify the risk with the strategy on the different markets. So for this purpose I will use one of the strategies that we've created while I was recording this course, and this is the strategy for the cable on M15, where I was using the boost power, the accumulation distribution and the envelopes, plus we have a stop loss and a take profit. So what I will do now, actually I will switch to dollar yen for example, and I'm pretty happy to see that I still have a profitable strategy with a huge drawdown in the beginning, but this will change now after we have optimized the strategy. So when I go to the optimizer, I need to change the steps to 5, so I will stay with round numbers. I consider round numbers when I'm using steps of 5 and 10. And also for the deviation percent I will use 0.10, and then also I need to change the minimum, so here will be 5 and envelopes will be 5, and for the stop loss and take profit is alright this way. You can also check the optimizer settings. From here you can choose what to be the numeric value range, so I will stay with plus minus 20, and then I will just click start, and as you can see I will have a much better profit line. I'm still above 0.52 profit per day, which is alright for me. Maximum drawdown of 0.52, which is also alright for me. And then if I go back to the editor, I can see also that I have return drawdown to 6.15. And here I will do the Monte Carlo in order to be sure that this strategy is not over optimized. And as I can see, the results are alright. We don't have any losing simulations. So this is pretty much about how I change it. I just change the parameters, do the optimizer with round numbers, and I have a ready strategy for the dollar yen market, which is really nice. Now I will export it, and then what I will do, I will just copy this from the downloads. It's on my other screen, guys, just a second. I will bring it up over here, and then I will just copy it in the folder where is the other strategy. I will click on paste, and as you can see here is the first strategy. I have named it EA Studio Cable M15 29 15 13. This is actually the magic number, and 20 stands for cable for GBP USD. 9 actually is my own coding that I'm not using longer time frames as filters, so when I have 9 I know that this strategy doesn't use longer time frames. 15 is time frame that I'm using on the strategy, and 13 in this case stands for the 30 time I have generated strategies for cable for M15. So what I will do now, I will just change the magic number. Here it will say 30 because 30 stands for dollar yen. I will put 9, I will put 15, and then I will put 13 as well. And this is another new expert advisor that I have for the dollar yen with the same strategy. Then I will go and I will do the same for pound yen, and I will go again to the optimizer and I will change again the steps to 5 for the stop loss and take profit for the period of boost power. Also envelopes I will change to 5, and here I will change to 10. So when I change also the minimum step and I click on start, I will have a new strategy for pound yen. And of course, in order to use this strategy you need to have a good profit line that you will like, and of course your Monte Carlo should be alright as well. And in this strategy I really don't like the big drawdown, so I will not use this strategy. I will go to the next pair and I will do the same thing for all the pairs, and I will just leave the strategies that I really like, the profit line, the backtesting profit line, and the ones that pass the Monte Carlo test. So this is how I diversify the risk between the different markets. And actually what I do is to use the same strategy that I create for one market. I optimize it using round numbers 5 and 10, and then if I like the backtest, I will run it on Monte Carlo, and if it's passed, I will test this strategy on a demo account. And this is actually, guys, an easy way to use one strategy from one market to the other market just with the optimization. Thank you very much, guys, for listening. Take care. Bye.